One of the most persistent physical differences people notice between racial or regional groups is height. Europeans and Africans, particularly in regions like Scandinavia or the Great Lakes region of East Africa, often stand much taller than Southeast Asians. The reasons go far beyond nutrition or genetics alone. They are rooted in thousands of years of evolutionary pressures shaped by geography, climate, and survival strategies. For instance, evolutionary biologists have long observed what's known as Bergmann's rule, which states that animal populations in colder climates tend to have larger body sizes. A bigger body retains heat more efficiently. This helps explain why many populations from temperate and colder zones, like Northern Europeans, evolved taller, broader bodies. Their ancestors needed to conserve body heat during long, harsh winters. Conversely, tropical climates like ours reward smaller, more compact bodies that release heat more efficiently. This helps explain the naturally smaller frames of many Southeast Asians, including Filipinos. In Africa, the picture is more complex. While some African populations, particularly forest-dwelling groups like the Mbuti or Aka, are among the shortest in the world, others, like the Nilotic peoples of South Sudan, e.g. the Dinka or the Shilluk, are strikingly tall. These Nilotic groups evolved in hot, dry savanna environments, where tall and narrow bodies are ideal for dissipating heat. In this case, height is still climate-related, but the shape of the body, long-limbed and lean, serves a different thermal purpose than in Scandinavia. What about Southeast Asians? The Austronesian peoples who settled our islands were originally seafarers and tropical forest dwellers. In such environments, smaller size offers advantages. It's easier to move through dense vegetation, survive on limited food, and manage body heat. There's also the issue of long-term nutrition. While genetics set the range, average adult height is strongly affected by childhood nutrition, especially protein availability. Many Southeast Asian cultures traditionally had carbohydrate-heavy, protein-light diets. Not necessarily by choice, animal protein was harder to come by in heavily forested or mountainous areas. One important clarification: height is not a fixed racial trait, but a population-level trend. Populations that migrate and settle in different environments often change in height over generations. This is why second-generation Southeast Asians born and raised in the US, Canada, or Europe with access to abundant nutrition are often noticeably taller than their parents. Evolution builds the blueprint, but environment still holds the pen. So when we look around and ask why others seem taller than us, the real question should be, what challenges shaped their ancestors' bodies? In that question lies a reminder that evolution is not about beauty or superiority. It's about survival. So the next time you notice height differences, remember it's not just a simple story of genes. It's a story of nutrition, history, and the incredible resilience of the human body. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of us. See you next time.